Welcome back to Product Critique. And today we're looking at what I'd call the best Uke Capo available right now. The WINGO Pro Ukulele Capo for soprano, concert, and baritone models. If you're a beginner, performer, or casual player who loves convenience and tone accuracy, then this little accessory is something you'll definitely want to know about. So, what makes this capo worth paying attention to? First, its size and design are perfectly tailored for ukuleles. This isn't a generic capo designed for guitars and forced onto uke players. The WINGO Pro is intentionally made to match the smaller neck and fingerboard of any ukulele size. Whether you're using a soprano, concert, tenor, or baritone uke, the capo clamps on cleanly and securely. Next, let's talk build. It's constructed from a high-grade aluminum alloy. This makes it durable enough for long-term use, but also lightweight enough that you'll barely notice it in your gig bag or case. The finish is rosewood styled, giving it a modern and classy look that pairs nicely with natural wood ukuleles. The silicone rubber padding on the inside protects the neck from scratches or pressure dents, which is especially important if you're using a delicate or expensive uke. One of the standout features is the spring mechanism. The strong spring ensures even pressure across all four strings, which keeps everything in tune as you move up the fretboard. If you've ever struggled with buzzing strings or sharp notes from a bad capo, you'll appreciate how consistent this one feels. When you clip it to a fret, it holds tight with no slipping. When you need to remove or reposition it, the quick-release design makes that effortless. No screws, no adjustments, just clamp and play. For travel and daily playing, convenience matters, and the WINGO Pro definitely delivers on that. It's compact, easy to store, and feels ergonomic in the hand. For a lot of players, especially beginners, complex or oversized capos can be awkward. This one keeps things simple and smooth. So to sum it up, the WINGO Pro Ukulele Capo checks all the important boxes. It's well built, lightweight, easy to use, protective for your instrument, and designed specifically for ukuleles, not just string instruments in general. Whether you're practicing, transposing songs on the fly, or performing live, this capo is an affordable upgrade that genuinely improves the playing experience. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more honest product insights before you buy, make sure to follow Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.